Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can make a stencil on your silhouette machine. Okay, and this is how I created my DIY hand painted accent wall. So the first step here is you want to make sure your mat is the same size of your stencil. So mine is a 12 by 12, the Cameo. So this is where I would go check this out. Page setup, Cameo 12 by 12. Okay, first step here is that you want to click on this little select arrow. Click on the line, draw a line. Okay, this is where you just draw a line here. Go back to your select, click on your line. Then you're going to go to open the offset panel and do offset. And this is where I messed with it for a little bit. I thought, that looks about right. So that's a 0.26 and apply. Unclick it, and you want to take out this little line here. So we don't need that anymore, so you're going to go ahead and delete that. Okay, go back to this here, and you're going to fill it in with black. All right, looks good. And now you simply just copy, paste, and you want to flip this horizontally. All right. And this is where you can kind of look to see how far you want the spaces, if you want to make it more like a downward type of stencil. I like personally more flat like that. Okay. So once you position those there and you like how those look, all you do is you select all, make sure you drag from the top corner all the way down, and you can do copy, paste, and you go ahead and place those wherever you like. Do that again, and one more time. Okay. Oops, undo. Let's see. All right, so I like how that looks. So the next step here is I'm going to send it to the printer. You see here where it says material, you want it to say stencil material, and make sure that it's 3 passes. So when I did just one pass, it did not cut all the way through. And I just made sure to put 3 passes, and it looked great. Okay, well there you have it. Then you would just press send. Thank you for watching.